If you are a public school teacher or an aspiring public school teacher, this video is for you. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated on my next uploads. If you are one of the public school teachers na walang computer or laptop o sira ang your laptop or computer, well, here is one good news for all of us. The GSIS computer loan is now available. Yes, I personally see it when I inquire for any available loan that I can avail in the nearest kiosk that we have in our division. For further details about this, please watch the full video. Narito na ang GSIS Computer Loan, ginhawang handog para sa mga work-from-home employees and online distance learning ng kanilang mga anak. Sa GSIS Computer Loan, makakahiram kayo ng 30,000 pesos at 6% interest. Hindi rin lalagpas sa 1,000 piso ang babayarang amortization kada buwan sa loob ng 3 taon. Para sa iba pang detalye, bisitahin ang www.gsis.gov.ph. Ngayon naman, inaanunsyo ng ahensya na extended ang GSIS Computer Loan hanggang December 31, 2021. Pwede na rin mag-apply sa mga GWAPS kiosk na malapit sa inyo. Ang loan amount ay 30,000 pesos na babayaran sa loob ng 3 taon. The Government Service Insurance System will launch the GSIS Computer Loan Program to assist GSIS members and their families in purchasing a computer unit for their online work or virtual classes of their children. Under this loan program, qualified members may borrow 30,000 pesos to buy a desktop or laptop computer. Even members who have already purchased a computer before the program was launched may apply for the loan. They just need to declare to the GSIS coordinator in their office, called Agency Authorized Officer, the type of computer they purchased. The payment term is 3 years with an interest rate of 6% per annum. The amortization will be automatically deducted from the borrower's salary. Alam nating lahat na marami sa GSIS members at mga anak nila na nag-aaral ang nangangailangan ng computer. Pwede ring gamitin ito para sa Wi-Fi expense ng miyembro. Halimbawa, kung bumili sila ng computer na nagkakahalaga ng 25,000 pesos, yung sobrang 5,000 pesos sa proceeds ay pwede nilang gamitin sa loan o pambayad sa Wi-Fi expense. Wala pang 1,000 ang monthly amortization kaya abot kaya ng marami. Members may apply for computer loan over the counter at all GSIS branches and extension offices nationwide. Pwede na rin sa mga GSIS GWAPS kiosk. Computer loan proceeds will be directly credited to the borrower's GSIS e-card or Unified Multipurpose Identification UMID card. The AAO of the borrower's agency, aside from approving the loan, will be requested to submit a monthly feedback report to GSIS to ensure that the proceeds of the loan has actually been used for the purchase of a computer. I visited the nearest kiosk in our division last April 15, 2021, and yes, computer loan is now available and you can avail computer loan in the nearest GSIS GWAPS kiosk located in your division. Here is the GSIS computer loan computation details. Gross loan amount will be 30,000 pesos, less deductions 136.7 and redemption insurance premium 360 pesos. So the total deductions is 496.07. So you will have net proceeds of 29,503.93 pesos. Again, the computer loan amount is 30,000 pesos, which is payable in 3 years. If you avail of this loan, you will have a monthly amortization of 983.33 pesos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you in one way or another. And if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated on my next upload. This is Teacher Chris. Thank you and stay safe.